Looking for more ways to find peace in your life? Me too. Using the same chord progression over and over will not always work. Sometimes it will, sometimes it won't. I want to give you as many strategies as possible. So this is a chord progression in the key of A that will give you peace. This chord progression is a combination of two unique shorter chord progressions that have a similar motion. There are two active chords, the A chord and the D chord. Each of these chords have two notes that stay the same, the root and the median of the chord, or your thumb and your middle finger. You can even make this chord progression even more peaceful by adding something called arpeggios. An arpeggio is the action of breaking up a stacked chord or a blocked chord. This is what a blocked chord looks like. We can break up this chord by playing each note individually. Now we can use arpeggios to make this chord progression even more beautiful and even more peaceful, more healing for us during our down days. And then, if you're ready for it, you can play this arpeggio even faster, and it makes it feel even more beautiful. Now let's put this arpeggio and this chord progression in context, and let's make a song together, a peaceful song that will help us feel more uplifted for the rest of the day. Okay, cool cat, now I want you to try it. Please add a stitch to this video because I really want to give my feedback for you to help you use music as a tool for your own mental health. I hope this was helpful, and I hope you have a mentally healthy rest of your day. Bye now.